Hello, YouTube. This is your host, Tommy Cunningham, coming to you live from Forward Search Apartments. Today, I wanted to do something simple for you. Today, we are going to be talking about conventional radio frequencies in areas like where I've been to. For once, I already made a video about Indianapolis. We are going to keep on going left until we get to Crawford County. Next county we are talking about is Harrison. So we see on here that Harrison County has a fire, EMA, and EMS dispatch, and they have a remote receive. And all their fire tax. And after that, they have a frequency for sheriff dispatch, their operations channel 11, their cordon channel 1, their cordon channel 7, the Harrison County Hospital, and they have one for the Department of Public Works, and one for government services. And then after that, let's just regroup on where we talked about. Yesterday we talked, Monday we talked all about Kentucky radio frequencies. And in the radio frequencies in Knox County, Daviess County. Now what we are wanting to do, we are wanting to regroup and talk about what we have learned from this. So what we learned from this, we like to listen to radio frequencies, but some of us think it's a lot of noise, which some of us don't understand it. Like for this radio on here we're listening to, this is the Boone County simulcast, and where I found that was off the Indianapolis channel, and they are currently doing a license plate check. And then after that, now once we regroup, let's talk about now French Lick Resort and Casino. A couple stories that I have from there. Now French Lick Resort and Casino, it's a nice area, okay? French Lick, it's a very flat ground, but once you guys get to the top of French Lick, you're going inside this big lake, which is called Patoka Lake. Which honestly, you guys, if you guys never seen that before, I recommend you guys go check that out, okay? Now another thing they have there, which I like to talk about, is Paoli Peaks. Now when you guys are driving to Paoli, you guys get to pass Paoli Peaks, and then it's right on this uphill. you park in this parking lot to go downhill, after that you take a thing all the way up there. Then another thing I want to talk about is the Indiana Railroad Museum. Now the Indiana Railroad Museum, I am really excited about talking about this one. This one has been a talk of mine for a long time. So also to let you guys know that the museum operations there, let me read you guys like it's called the French Lick Scenic Railroad. And then what their tickets, they have a coach class seating. They have like first class. They have like open air seating and dorm class seating. And then like the admission fees are $20 for adults, $10 for a child. First class is $125 per table. $120 per table. $100 per bench, and that's a maximum of 5 people. Dorm seating ages 10 to 12. Child 2 to 11. Under 2 are free. Fares for Special Olympics as the Dinosaur Adventure one and a Polar Express train ride ferries do not include conventional fee for online and phone reservation. For more assistance with reservations, please call 1-800-74-TRAIN for group tours and charities. Please visit Charity Trips page. And then now what we are talking about is their dinner train. Their dinner train is a unique thing. They have like salads, which is served with a raspberry dressing, slow roasted beef with green beans and roasted red potatoes, panini alfredo, and they have chocolate with assorted sauces. And looking at discounts, on this website, varies of discounts. If you guys are like staying at the West Baden Springs Hotel, $1 per person off regular admission, cannot be condemned with any other offer. So the area info. So lodging, we got Big Splash Adventure, we also got a lot of like dining options, which I would recommend you guys try out. There's just kind of a lot of stuff on here. Now what we are going to do, we are going to talk about my reaction on the French Lick Resort and Casino. We are thinking, Tommy, what is your favorite about the French Lick Resort and Casino? Is it the resort or is it the casino? My favorite has to be like the resort because the rooms are nice. The casino's nice sometimes. Plus, they also have a thing for the Blue Sky Casino, which I like to listen to this because they have 4 frequencies, which is in the 400 band. But please be aware, they do not allow you to listen to them while you guys are in the casino. Now going on back, so Daviess County, actually let's talk about Lawrence County and my thought about Lawrence County. Lawrence County has like 4 fire dispatches, okay? They have been fire auths for all fire departments. They use different rands and air. And looking on down, they got their highway department. So, the Horseshoe is a nice place because that helps you guys out on a lot of occasions, used to. Okay? I hope you guys enjoyed this video because I put a lot of thought in this video. Make sure you guys hit that like, make sure you guys hit that subscribe, and I'll see you guys in a video tomorrow.